Hi, today I have Ford Focus 1.6 and that's the automatic, and the gearbox is 4F27 box. Customer complaining on that one. When you start the car is start, you can see the P, R and D light is flashing, and the customer is saying harsh to change to run, R to drive, reverse to drive, and stuck second and third gear sometime, and accelerator is very slow and slow kick up, and no manual selection when you try to do the manual of this gearbox. When you try to manual modes, and is not showing here, nothing is on there. So, and the other thing, if you can hear, the fan is full speed working immediately when you start the car. So this is the problem, and he come to us, and then we're gonna diagnose that bits, and we're gonna see what code was coming. That's the code is coming on there. This is the common code, U0101-61, missing communication with the TCM control module, and is related to one other codes, high CAN communications, and one is missing here as well, U0155-61. So missing communication with the instrument cluster as well. So this is the problem of this car. So the basically should be here, the P sign will come, and the transmission malfunction should be removed, and then car will be gonna fix. So if you have the problem of like that, we can solve your issue. If you bring the car to us, car will be ready like 3 to 4 hours and driving perfect, no problem in the car. So we are in Hounslow, and my name is Terry. We repair all type of ECUs, gearbox ECUs, and this car problem is in the ECU of the TCM, and we can fix your problem. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 167 Hanworth Road, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, Hounslow Motors Ltd, and you can contact anytime. My phone number is 07402536382. We are in Hounslow, and you can contact me on through WhatsApp, email, or you can call anytime, and you can book with us, and when we can fix your problem. Thanks for watching my video. You can check my other video as well. We do DSG gearboxes, CVTs, and A-class, B-class Mercedes as well, instrument clusters and crash data resets. If you have any question, just call me or send the message. We can help out. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.